In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Outlook emails with Monday.com 5 minutes. Before we start, make sure you can sign in to your Monday.com account and that you have access to the board you want to connect. You'll also need a Microsoft 365 work or school account, and in some organizations, an admin may need to approve new integrations. Begin by logging into Monday.com. Once you're in, open the specific board you want to connect to Outlook. Pick the board where the emails should land or be managed, maybe a sales pipeline, a support inbox, or a team request board, so the information that flows in is immediately useful to your workflow. On that board, click the Integrate button to open the Integration Center. This is where you'll set up the connection between Outlook and Monday.com. In the search bar, type Outlook. If you prefer to browse, you can click Explore and then search for Outlook there. Select the Microsoft Outlook integration to view the available automation recipes. You'll see templates that handle common scenarios. For example, when an email is received, create an item update is perfect if you want incoming messages to automatically create new items or append updates to existing ones. On the other hand, when a status changes, send an email. Lets your team trigger outgoing messages straight from your board. Great for confirmations, follow-ups, or notifications driven by your workflow. Pick the recipe that matches your goal for this board. You can always add more recipes later to cover both directions. Next, click Connect and sign in with your Microsoft 365 work or school credentials to authorize the connection. If a pop-up is blocked, allow it and try again. If your organization restricts app approvals, you may need a quick thumbs up from an admin. After authorization, customize the recipe settings. This is where the magic happens. Map the Outlook fields to your board's columns, subject to a text column, sender to a people or text column, receive date to a date column, and body or preview to a long text column. If your recipe sends emails when a status changes, choose the status column and specify which values should trigger messages. You can personalize the email subject and body with placeholders from your items fields, so your messages stay consistent and informative. When everything looks right, click Add to Board to save. That's it. Your board and Outlook are now connected. I recommend sending yourself a quick test email or changing a sample item's status to confirm everything behaves as expected. You can return to the Integration Center anytime to adjust mappings, add more recipes, or pause ones you don't need.